Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on an awesome adventure. We're headed to the Warner Brothers Studios. I'm going to show you the back lot of the Warner Brothers Studios, and this is my first time actually going and taking a tour of the studio, and I'm going to take you guys along. We're about to go on the studio tour. Exciting, it's our first time. You guys are joining us. Woo! This is my mom. Just in time. This is the line. We got some snacks from Starbucks before we head on the ride.
Familiar with, things you know. So I suspect we have Friends fans on the tour, right?
Yeah!
Absolutely, because we're F. That is where the Animaniacs live. Wacko Yakko and Dots. The Bangles in concert, and they used the front of that particular theater as the theater where the Bangles were playing. Alright, looks like a bunch of trams in here. So our next big thing here is we're going to go check out our archive museum. The archive contains costumes, props, and a bunch of other cool stuff from our films Wonder Woman, Aquaman, and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I had to say that too, dramatically.
Alright guys, so we are on the Ellen DeGeneres set. And
Oh, hey Mark.
everything looks much smaller in person. But yeah, we're in the
Right here is the
stage one is Ellen DeGeneres.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going up to see the sign.
Alright, if we're done, everybody, have you all taken your pictures? Okay.
So this is where the picture cars are. There's the Batmobile motorcycle. Here. Here's a side angle of the Batmobile. You can see how big it is. Actually, there's like, I think that's Batmobile too. Come over here. So
Friends, Unforgiven, The Big Bang Theory, Casablanca. All of them were shot here at Warner Brothers Studios, and all of them went through the same production process. By now, you've seen many of the working departments and shops here at Warner Brothers, but unless you
Screenwriting. Okay, so look, all of this is scripts.
And the first
I had a great time on this entire tour, but now this is awesome to see now. Everything in one. This is like a summary of the entire tour, all in this room, but from scripts.
4 foot long with all the ideas, and then we start parceling them into individual episodes, and we start putting down ideas for different characters and different color markers.
The shows like where they're studying their scripts.
What that is. Then the writer goes off. Sometimes it's really
as you can see, this is where the screenwriting takes place. Not really, but this is a set of it. This is what a room would look like, full of headshots on the wall, and they're picking who is Vince, who is Chloe, who is Sean. This is awesome. And as you can see, there's more here. Oh wow, you can drag and drop. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, it's interactive. Let's see, who should I drag and drop? John Travolta.
I'm a writer, and I write, and I'm proud to do it. It's the most difficult part of my job that I do. My name is John Wells. I started at Warner Brothers on June 1st, 1986.
Headshots are essential
relatively forgettable
for
show
the
called Shell
industry.
Game for CBS, but I've been an executive producer, writer, and director on a number of shows.
This is how they pick you.
West Wing,
on a table full of headshots, you may be the chosen one.
Animal Kingdom is a new show we're doing for TNT. All of the other things.
Going into the set of Friends. So I'm walking in backwards. So check it out. We're going into the set of Friends. Here's the autograph. The autograph script on the wall. And you can see the Friends couch right behind me. Aww.
We got some delays right there, okay? How's it going? Welcome.
There's the Friends.
And look right over here, okay?
Put this here. My camera. I'm recording. Oh, okay.
Recording.
How do you do it?
Alright, ready? And count of 3, ladies. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do one more. Beautiful. Now, look right over at him.
You go through here. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3. Now cheers. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Cup down, please. Give me a big hug. There you go. Awesome. Thank you. Mommy.
Don't forget your camera.
Okay, so we just took our picture from the set of Friends, as you can see in the next shot here. So now we're moving on to other movies that have been filmed here. There's a lot more to see. Here's Casablanca right behind me. And oh, look at all these. What year is this from? 1964. Hey, this was filmed in 1964, back in her days when she was a little baby and just being born. Yeah.
I'm telling your age. Don't tell her age.
This is 55 years ago.
Right.
I
And
gotta take a picture.
I
right
love
here.
My Fair Lady. I love their costumes and the wardrobe. You want to take a picture?
Yes.
Their costume and their wardrobe are so nice. Classic is made here. So exactly. All of this is where like historical shows and costumes are. Look at those. Gangsta outfits. Yeah. That's what the gangsta. Guess what it's called?
What is it called?
It's called the gangster. I did not know that, guys. I've never seen this, but just look at their attire. It's called the gangster film. I was on point, yeah. Alright, so as you can see, there's so much to see here. Let's take some pictures of the Big Bang. Hi. So this is a set of the Big Bang. Okay. The Big Bang Theory. We just took pictures there too. But here is the Hall of Fame Visual Arts. Alright, so we're about to do some green screen scenes. This is pretty cool. Like, there's different things here. There's like different slots here of the green screen.
His time was powder.
Oh, I just love the smell of a new car.
Driving Miss Daisy.
How about next Thursday? Does that work for you? Anyway, thanks again. See you soon. Be kind to one another. Bye.
Alright guys, we are done with the tour.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe.